Welcome to Redline Review. The bold 2026 Ferrari Motorhome blends customized luxury living with Italian performance for journeys that will never be forgotten. It is the first real supercar motorhome, fusing luxury and state-of-the-art technology with Ferrari's racing pedigree. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome's exterior design and performance are distinctive. Ferrari F1 served as the model for the lightweight aluminum alloy and carbon fiber bodywork. Aerodynamic channels and an active rear diffuser are features of performance DNA that enhance stability and airflow. The prancing horse, LED headlights, and unique air intakes are all included on the gorgeous, wide grille. For a more streamlined appearance and less drag, swap out mirrors for retractable side cameras. The hybrid V12 engine powers Ferrari's flagship hypercar. With more than 900 horsepower, it sets a class record by propelling the motorhome to highway speeds in less than 5 seconds. Accurate performance on mountain passes, and the coast is ensured by rear-wheel steering and variable magneto-rheological dampers. Details of interior design. The camper van is infused with Ferrari's luxury and spirit of racing. The driver-focused interior features carbon fiber accents and a digital instrument cluster that evoke the Ferrari SF90 Stradale. All activities are made possible by integrated controls and flat-bottom steering wheels. Alcantara, exposed carbon, and Italian leather adorn the living room. Each surface is hand-finished with a touch of motorsport flair and contemporary beauty. Features of the lounge. From athletic chairs to motorized recliners can be converted into queen beds. Multi-channel sound on a 55-inch OLED display created by JBL Ferrari ambient lighting in Ferrari red. A rooftop with plenty of light and breathtaking views. Gourmet kitchen and dining with its convection oven, espresso, and flush-mounted induction cooktop. The design kitchen is perfect for entertaining. Big wine cooler, smart refrigerator with touch control cabinets made of carbon fiber with soft close drawers. A contemporary dining room for 4 people can be converted into an office or lounge. The spa-like bathroom of the private room features ambient lighting, a rainfall shower, and a Bluetooth speaker. Marble floors that are heated vanity mirror with backlighting and designer fixtures. Water closet only. The king-size memory foam bed in the private back sleeping area is covered with linens embroidered with Ferrari. Customized closet cabinets, USB-C ports, and reading lights, networking and technology. There is innovation everywhere, including the main emphasis 17-inch controller with a touchscreen voice, control for the lights, entertainment, and climate hotspot Wi-Fi, and 5G internet, numerous wireless charging pads and USB hubs. Safe driving assistance, features of Ferrari Motorhome, stop-and-go cruising that can be adjusted, using improved 360-degree cameras for lane centering. Vehicle emergency brake, cross-traffic, and blind spot alerts. To sum up, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome blends Ferrari performance with penthouse luxury. Italian speed, elegance, and inventiveness are evident everywhere, from the Highlands to the Riviera.